You can boost your health in these 7 ways by eating a bowl of spinach daily. Spinach can have health benefits for you, but only if you eat it regularly. Here are 7 reasons why you should. When you are asked to add some greens to your plate, the first thing that comes to your mind is spinach. We've watched cartoons that'd get superpowers after eating spinach, and we've heard our elders talking about its importance. But there's a reason spinach is associated with strength. Do you know that if you eat about 100 grams of spinach every day, you'll only be consuming 23 calories? This is far lower than the punch of nutrients it can give you.
Spinach is a wholesome vegetable that consists of all the essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, K1, folic acids, calcium, and iron.
You'll be surprised to know that 91% of it is actually water. So, your body stays hydrated too. All these nutrients can boost your overall health and bless you with overall wellness. But, eating it once in a blue moon won't make much of a difference. You need to consume it on a regular basis to fully reap the benefits of this superfood. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of Herbal Remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. Think it's too hard to pull off? Well, in that case, we would like to bribe you. We're going to share 7 incredible things that can happen if you start eating spinach on a regular basis. 1. You'll lose weight. Spinach is a low-cal food. It contains a high content of water and the fiber content that it has helps in better digestion and absorption of food. Due to this, your metabolism will stay in check and you will lose weight. According to studies, spinach also helps in keeping the blood sugar level stable and bad cholesterol level down. This is another reason why your body will have 0 weight woes. 2. Your blood circulation will improve. The water content in spinach keeps the viscosity of blood under check and helps it flow better. We all know that iron is what you need to keep your hemoglobin levels up. If that's under control, your blood will be well oxygenated. Plus, iron will also help in the regeneration of new red blood cells. Spinach also has a high amount of nitrates which are known to control the pressure of the blood in your body. Due to this, your heart gets an apt amount of blood to pump and circulate. 3. Your skin will look great. Have you ever heard of the term collagen? Well, it's a kind of protein that structures your skin. Collagen helps in maintaining its texture, radiance, and elasticity. We are telling you this because spinach is known to boost its production in the body, and that's why you'll see a remarkable change in the quality of your skin when you start eating it on a daily basis. 4. You'll feel less stressed. Spinach has benefits, not just for your body, but for your mind as well. According to the study conducted by the Journal of Clinical Medicines, spinach has anti-stress and antidepressant properties that keep you calm in the toughest of situations. The other nutrients present in spinach such as folates, lutein, and vitamin A help in slowing down cognitive decline. 5. Your bones become stronger. Women experience orthopedic issues, especially post-35. If not taken care of right away, it can result in something as severe as osteoporosis, i.e. porous bones which are prone to breaking every now and then. But, eating spinach can help you make your bones stronger and dense due to the presence of vitamin K and calcium in it. Basically, vitamin K is one of the most essential nutrients that are needed for bone regeneration and healing of bones. 6. You'll recover better from injuries. Do you know why Mr. Popeye was so strong? That's because his immunity was in great shape. The minerals present in spinach helps in the regeneration of muscle tissues and repair whatever wear and tear happened in your body. The vitamin C that it has is known to boost your immunity, as this nutrient is enriched with antioxidants and flavonoids that will help in keeping your overall health in check. 7. Your eyesight becomes better. Staring at the laptop screen and into our smartphones can weaken the eye muscles. But, if you eat spinach, this won't be a problem for you. Spinach is a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are basically eye-friendly nutrients. Both these nutrients help in reducing the chances of macular degeneration. Moreover, if you are always out in the sun, there are chances of you getting your retina damaged. But, if you include spinach in your daily diet, you might be able to cut down on that chance very considerably. Isn't it spinach-tacular? Next time you go grocery shopping, don't forget to fill your bag with some fresh spinach. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.